Have you ever felt like the world just wouldn't stop testing you? Like every corner you turned, there was another obstacle in your path? I know I have. And you know what I've learned? Sometimes the most powerful response isn't a roar, but a quiet, unwavering strength. It's about choosing your battles, letting your actions speak louder than words, and trusting in your own resilience. Because real strength isn't about how loud you shout, but how deeply you believe in yourself, even when the world doubts you. We're going on a journey today, a journey inward, to discover the power of silent strength that resides within each of us. We'll explore how to navigate life's challenges with grace, how to rise above negativity, and how to let our achievements speak for themselves. This isn't about becoming invisible, my friends. It's about becoming undeniable. The kind of strength that makes people stop and take notice. The kind that inspires others. The kind that changes the world. Are you ready to discover your silent strength? Not every fight is worth your energy. Silence can be a powerful weapon. Let your actions speak for themselves. Chapter 4. Face challenges with grace and resilience. In every situation, no matter how difficult, there's an opportunity to move forward with poise and determination. Remember, it's not just about overcoming obstacles, but also about how you handle them. Chapter 5. Trust in your potential, even when doubted. It's crucial to believe in yourself, especially during times when others might not see your capabilities. Your faith in your own abilities can turn the tide in your favor. Chapter 6. Every twist and turn shapes your story. Embrace each moment, whether it brings joy or challenges. Your journey is uniquely yours, and every experience enriches your narrative. Celebrate small victories. Appreciate every step towards your dreams. Trust the timing. Everything unfolds in its own time. Your worth is not defined by others. Remember, it's what's within that counts. Every step forward is a victory. Let achievements silence your doubters. True strength is rising after failure. Embrace solitude for self-improvement. It's in those quiet moments alone that we often find the clearest path to personal growth. Those dragging you down are beneath you. Remember, it's crucial to rise above and not let negativity cloud your vision or hinder your journey. Failure leaves lessons, not scars. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embrace each lesson and move forward with greater wisdom. Chapter 16. Take control and write your narrative. It's all about seizing the pen of your life and authoring your own story. Every choice you make, every step you take, shapes the plot of your life. So, why not make it a story worth telling? Chapter 17. Sometimes a smile masks inner strength. It's not just a curve on the face. It often hides the resilience and fortitude that propels us forward, even through the toughest times. Remember, behind every smile, there could be a story of immense strength. Chapter 18. Solitude is better than toxic company. It's crucial to choose who you surround yourself with, as the environment can influence your personal growth and peace of mind. Sometimes being alone is far healthier than being in the wrong company. Chapter 19. In life, it's essential to sometimes ignore societal pressures and forge your own way. Each step you take on this path you create leads you closer to true self-discovery. Chapter 20. Remember, the family you choose can often be more meaningful than the one you're born into. These are the people who truly resonate with your values and dreams. Chapter 21. Just imagine what could be achieved if the fear of failure didn't exist. This thought alone can open up a world of endless possibilities. Chapter 22. Complaining without effort is pointless. It's crucial to remember that real progress requires action, not just words. Chapter 23. Rewards await those who persevere. Indeed, the fruits of persistence can be sweet and fulfilling. Chapter 24. Don't always be at everyone's disposal. It's important to recognize and value your own worth and time. Chapter 25. Toughest times become fondest memories. Chapter 26. Strength lies in what you keep private. Chapter 27. Obstacles are guiding lights, not roadblocks. Chapter 28. Each chapter contributes to your story. Chapter 29. True strength is fought in unseen battles. Chapter 30. Today's pain fortifies tomorrow's strength. Don't let opinions overshadow your worth. Train your mind to conquer emotions. Share vulnerability with those deserving trust. Obstacles are directional signs, not stops. Embrace both sorrow and joy in your story. Your strength shines in calmness during chaos. Chapter 37. Strive for self-improvement. Focus on your growth, not comparisons. Chapter 38. Discipline bridges the gap. Discipline connects dreams to reality. Chapter 39. Humility speaks volumes. Let actions speak louder than words. You once yearned for where you are now. Reflect on that journey. Playing it safe stifles growth. Take chances. Embrace the opportunities that scare you a little. Never be ashamed of hard work. It's noble and it builds character and resilience. Chapter 43. Choose your circle wisely. Quality relationships inspire and uplift you. Remember that. Chapter 44. Adversity fuels growth. Adversity is a setup for greater growth. Indeed it is. Chapter 45. Seek validation within. Seeking external validation hinders self-discovery, so always remember to look within. Chapter 46. Endure trials to discover your true strength. Chapter 47. Know your worth, tolerate no disrespect. Chapter 48. Action over worry. Worrying is futile. Take action instead. Chapter 49. A mosaic of experiences. Your life story is rich with experiences. Chapter 50. Resilience in hidden battles. True strength is facing hidden struggles. Outro. We've come to the end of our journey today, but your journey, my friend, is just beginning. Remember, silent strength isn't about disappearing. It's about becoming a force to be reckoned with. It's about the quiet confidence that comes from knowing your worth, from choosing your battles, and from letting your actions speak louder than any words ever could. The world may try to dim your light, but your silent strength is the unshakable belief in yourself, the unwavering commitment to your goals, and the quiet dignity of knowing you are enough. Embrace the power of silence, let your actions speak volumes, and watch as the world takes notice of the force you truly are. Go out there and change the world with your quiet, undeniable strength.